I got a YU enrichment scholarship. I got it for 12 months here. Okay, so every month I get 25,000 NTD. So when you come to Taiwan, you need to have at least 3 lakh rupees in your.
Can we work in this, like, if you got YU enrichment scholarship, आपको कैसे लगेगा?
अच्छा इतना फॉर्मल मत पूछो, मुझे शर्म आ जाएगी.
Hello to you, so welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to meet someone like very fan हो सकता है, नहीं, but she has seen my video actually, and she wanted to meet me from long time ago, and yes, तो आपको कुछ ही देर में दिख जाएगा कि मैं मिलने से पहले सोचा है मैंने कि I'll buy a small gift for her, तो चलो पहले वो देखने चलते हैं कि क्या खरीदा जाए, और यू कैन सजेस्ट मी इन कमेंट्स कि क्या गिफ्ट देना अच्छा रहेगा. पता है ऐसा लगता है कि ये मिरर ही है, तो मेरे आधे के मेरे फेस को ही बाल ठीक करने में ही निकल जाएगा. ब्लॉगिंग क्या करूँगी मैं इसमें. यहाँ पे गिफ्टिंग शॉप्स के लिए मुझे सबसे बेस्ट डाइसो लगता है, सो पहले मैं वहाँ चेक करूँगी. अगर वहाँ कुछ नहीं मिलता है देन आई विल बी गोइंग टू तीन चार, वो दूसरा है. तो अगर आपको उसके बारे में डिटेल में व्लॉगिंग चाहिए या डिटेल्स में कुछ चाहिए तो यू कैन टेल मी दैट एज वेल. मैं उस पर फिर डिटेल में वीडियो बनाऊंगी. तो ये आ गए हम छोटे से डाइसो शॉप में, ताइपे का. ये मेरा मोस्ट फेवरेट शॉप था. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, कुछ नहीं तो मैं सिर्फ घूमने के लिए आ जाती थी यहाँ पे. आई लाइक दिस शॉप वेरी मच. तो अब देखते हैं क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे. चेंज हो चुका है ये शॉप वैसे, तो मुझे कोई लेडी सेक्शन ही देखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज मेरी छोटी सी फैन इज़ अ गर्ल. एंड वैसे तो मैं सोच रही हूँ इयररिंग्स लेने के लिए, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर यहाँ पे इयररिंग्स मिलेंगे उसके लिए या नहीं. मुझे इयररिंग्स ही नहीं मिल रही है यार. प्यारा सा cute सा बैग. I think I can take this. ये अच्छा लग रहा है या ये अच्छा लग रहा है, कौन सा? जल्दी से. Which one is looking more good? Yes, this is looking more cute, right? ये मैंने ले लिया एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा पर्स, और now I'm heading to buy a chocolate for her. कौन सा लूँ, ये वाला, ये वाला, ये वाला? Which one? मैंने मेरा गिफ्ट ले लिया है. So now I'm heading towards the meeting point. और इसी बीच में मैं दिखाते जाऊंगी कि since I'm crossing this Taipei main station inside, तो मुझे कभी ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला कि इसके भीतर का मैं बनाऊं, बट नाउ इट्स क्वाइट रश. यहाँ पे कितना रश होता है, कितने सारे शॉप्स होते हैं, कितने सारे खाने पीने के फूड स्टॉल्स भी है. ये थोड़ा सा अजीब है बट आदत करनी पड़ेगी अब. अगर थोड़ा सा व्लॉग और रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस दिखाना है तो आई गेस व्लॉगिंग पे उतरना पड़ेगा. आप क्या बोलते हो, शुड आई स्टार्ट व्लॉगिंग और मेरे ऐसे इंफॉर्मेशनल वीडियोस ही ठीक है? बताना मुझे.
पता, मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. ओके, आंखें बंद. वाह, गुड. नहीं, बस लेट. Again. Retake.
I want something for you.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh,
Expressions देख नहीं रहे अच्छे से.
मैं बहुत cute है. It's a pouch. I don't have. Oh, of course. ये pouch है. फिर मैंने अच्छा किया. I love it. But my sister loves more. देखो दे दी. I pouch.
So today we are going to introduce my small little cute fan, Roshni. Yay! Okay, Roshni, so how long have you been staying in Taiwan?
Okay, it's been like 1 year already, and I'm planning to stay more. Hmm.
So how do you feel staying here?
I like it because I love the kids here. They're too cute.
Oh,
Yeah. So I
do you
feel
plan to have
kids.
kids?
Oh, for that I need a boyfriend. I should cry.
Okay. Back to our audience topic.
Okay.
ठीक है आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? What you're doing here in Taiwan?
So I got a YU enrichment scholarship. So I got it for 12 months here already. So it's gonna be completed soon. Like only 1 month is left, and now I'm planning to do it on my own in future. Like just study Chinese more because I like Chinese, but only saying speaking.
That's
Writing.
That's nice. So our audience doesn't know more about Huayu Enrichment Scholarship. So can you speak a little bit about like what it is?
Okay, so Huayu Enrichment Scholarship is all about like you can apply it after your 12th board exam. As soon as you complete your 12th board exam, you have to appear for an exam called TOCFL. Okay, TOCFL, Test of Chinese Foreign Language. Okay, so it's just for like formality. Yeah. Like it's not necessary you have to get passed. It's just a formality so that they can understand. Oh, when you land in Taiwan, you know a little bit. Like oh ni hao, ni 叫什么名字, only this much. So that
the
Hmm. Yeah, ऐसे. So थोड़ा सा ऐसा आना चाहिए कि for their बोलते हैं ना ऐसे मन को तसल्ली के लिए कि हाँ तुमको थोड़ी सी चाइनीज आती है इसके लिए तुमको पहले वो एग्जाम देनी पड़ेगी and then you have to just apply it online on the MOE website. So there is a website for Indian MOE. So on that website you can just apply directly, and it's everything is online. But when I applied, it was all offline. So I went to Delhi and I did all that stuff. Yeah. Yeah, and it's easier to apply. And then you have option. You can apply for 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months, and 12 months. It's up to you. But I would suggest to apply for 12 months. So even if you have for 12 months, it's up to you. You can stay for 3 months and then go back.
And it's also up to them like how long they're gonna allot for you, right?
So it
It's
depends
not-
on how many people are there.
How many people are applying?
Yeah.
So yes, there's a competition. So
Okay, so I think they actually take people according to their age criteria and their studies. Because actually I also gave my certificate of Chinese before and I passed it on TOEFL A level. And I already learned Chinese before. So it was easier for me, I guess. I think so, yeah. But even my seniors who applied with me, they got it for 6 months. They didn't got it for 12 months.
great. So how much scholarship do you get along with?
Okay, so every month I get 25,000 NTD. But you have to pay your own fees, you have to pay your own rent, you have to pay your own flight, you have to pay everything of your own. Like there is nothing that okay, they will just give you 25,000 NTD per month. That's all.
So
No
is
extra
your
money.
accommodation included or no? You have to arrange
Nothing.
it
You have
for
to arrange everything. They could just provide you a hostel, but you need to pay your own fees. So when you come to Taiwan, you need to have at least 3 lakh rupees in your account so that it's easier for you to stay. Either it will be very difficult to adjust the money because they don't pay you till 1 month. They won't pay you money for 1 month.
Yes, like you have to make the bank
Bank
account
account
and all those stuff,
Yeah,
right?
for 1 month you won't have any penny. So you better bring 3 lakhs rupees from India. खानदानी कुछ पैसा लगा दो।
वैसे-
वो better होगा।
So how did you like the food when you came first year?
Okay, so I'm a vegetarian. I'm a Jain, so I cannot eat onion, garlic, potato, and everything. So I was like, okay, I cannot eat anything. So I carried Maggie and pasta and stuff. But when I came here, I just like one thing. That's called black rice. Hey, fun. That's the best thing I like because that's I like it's sweet. It's not salty, and it's like okay, you can eat only rice I can eat. Only black rice I can eat. Like okay, खाली खा सकती हूँ हाँ बिकॉज और बाकी सब तो कुछ है ही नहीं बाकी सब वेजिटेबल्स है और जो मुझे पसंद नहीं सो
How are you surviving here?
मैगी पास्ता गाइस ब्रिंग मैगी पास्ता मेरे लिए भी लेके आना ऐसे
Can we work in this like if you got Huayu enrichment scholarship, so can you work in this?
okay so according to MOE you cannot work okay but according to your school regulation whichever school or whichever university you are in if they allow you can work okay but there is a requirement of 6 months if you don't like if you don't stay for 6 months in Taiwan, like you have to stay regularly. Like you cannot leave Taiwan between. Okay, if you leave Taiwan in between, you won't get the work permit. So you better stay here for 6 months, and then after 6 months, you're eligible to apply for the work permit. According to my university, which is National Taiwan Normal University, every university has a different scenario, and every university have a different eligibility criteria. Some university would have 4, somebody would have 6, somebody would have 8, 5, 9, or
So
anything.
how did you find this university? Like,
This university, I found it on the MOE website itself. So it was in the top 5 universities. So I was like, okay, I need to get in this.
nice. So if our audience, like whoever want to apply for this scholarship, so how they can find out the university to which they can apply, like apart from NTNU, because it's highly competitive, right?
Yeah. So actually, you can apply to all the national university, because all the national university in Taiwan have the Chinese course for 3 months. Okay,
Wow.
and in Huayu, you have to only take 3 months course. You cannot take 2 month course and come into Huayu. So you better check carefully which course are you taking, because sometimes what happens is people take the summer course by mistake. They don't know which course to take. And in Huayu, you can only take a 3 month course. You cannot take a summer or a winter course. So check if the university have a 3 month course, and it should be a national university according to my knowledge, because that's the most famous in Taiwan. Like हाँ, national university have some name in Taiwan. बाकी सब university का तो कोई नाम ही नहीं है, कोई जानता भी नहीं.
आई गेस आज के वीडियो के लिए हम यहाँ तक रखते हैं एंड इफ़ यू वांट मोर and yeah, don't forget to thanks Roshni because she has included all important points in this video. और अगर आपको और ज़्यादा जानना है और ज़्यादा पूछना है रोशनी से कि how she is managing her food accommodation, like is this amount of money sufficient for her survival, what she gonna do next, where she's working now, so comment that so that we can make a part 2. तो अगर आपको
My Instagram.
yes, and don't forget to follow her on Instagram. So yes,
Yeah.
you can.
So my Instagram is Taiwan with me. Okay, Taiwan with _ and there is me. Okay, so you better follow me.
Yes, I'll put down her link in our descriptions.